Hello and welcome to Clever Clogs Academy. In this video, we are going to master one of the most fun, but sometimes tricky, topics in verbal reasoning, anagrams. Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is an anagram? Simply put, an anagram is a word whose letters have been completely jumbled up. To solve it, you have to rearrange those exact same letters to make a brand new word. For example, if we scramble the letters in the word listen, we can spell silent. Same letters, completely different word. In your entrance exams, you won't just get random letters. You will usually be given a sentence with one word written in capital letters. Those letters are scrambled. Your job is to rearrange them to make a new word that finishes the sentence sensibly. Let's look at an example. The YGEDER chicken ate all the corn. To solve these quickly, we need some strategies. Strategy number 1. Use the context. Read the rest of the sentence. Ask yourself, is the missing word describing something, like an adjective? Or is it an action, like a verb? In our example, the word describes the chicken. What kind of chicken eats all the corn? A very hungry one. Strategy number 2. Hunt for common endings. Look closely at the jumbled letters. Can you spot common word endings like ed, ing, or ly? If you can, pull those letters out. In our chicken example, we have the letters Y, G, E, D, E, R. I notice a Y, which is a very common ending for describing words. Strategy number 3, the circle trick. If your brain is stuck seeing the scrambled word, write the letters in a circle on your rough paper. This simple trick breaks the pattern and helps your brain see new combinations. Let's solve our example. We know the word describes a hungry chicken and we have the letters Y, G, E, D, E, R. If we put the Y at the end, we are left with GREED. Put it all together and we get greedy. Let's check it. The greedy chicken ate all the corn. Perfect. Now it's your turn. Have a look at this one. I was NHISUTOG when I lost my voice. Pause the video here and see if you can unscramble the word using our strategies. Did you figure it out? Let's use strategy 2 and look for common endings. The anagram contains the letters I, N, and G. If we take ing off, we are left with HSUTO. If you lost your voice, you were probably making a lot of noise. Unscramble HSUTO to get shout. Add the ing back on, and our answer is shouting. Let's try one more. My auntie has 5 nieces and WHSEPNE. Pause the video and give it a go. How did you do? Let's look at the context. The sentence is all about family members, auntie and nieces. What word usually goes with nieces? Nephews. Let's check our anagram letters. NEPHEWS. Yes, they are a perfect match. Before we finish, here is your quick quiz question. The criminal PESCADE from the police officer. Pause the video, apply your golden rules and find the answer. The criminal performed an action, so it's a verb. The anagram has an ED in it. If we pull that out, we get escaped. The answer is escaped. Fantastic work today. Keep practicing your common word endings, and I'll see you in the next video.